2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki KLR650. As of 2024, the Kawasaki KLR650 stands out as a top choice for beginners venturing into the dual sport motorcycle realm, offering a versatile and rugged package that excels both on and off the beaten path. Renowned for its legendary reliability, adaptable design, and accessible performance, the KLR650 provides a gateway for novice riders to explore the world of adventure motorcycling. At the heart of the Kawasaki KLR650 lies a robust 651 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering a tractable power band suitable for a variety of riding conditions. The engine's torquey nature provides ample low-end power, making it well-suited for off-road trails, while still offering a comfortable cruising experience on highways. This versatility and performance caters to the diverse needs of dual sport riders, especially those who are just starting to explore the capabilities of off-road riding. Designed with adventure in mind, the KLR650 features a rugged and purposeful aesthetic. Its dual sport design combines elements of a street bike with off-road capabilities, featuring a tall and upright riding position, a high front fender, and a robust frame. This not only contributes to the bike's distinctive appearance but also ensures that it can tackle a variety of terrains with ease, making it an excellent choice for riders eager to experience both on- and off-road adventures. Comfort is a key consideration for dual sport riders, and the KLR650 addresses this with a spacious and accommodating saddle. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and ample legroom enhance rider comfort during long journeys, making it suitable for both commuting and extended off-road excursions. Additionally, the adjustable suspension allows riders to fine-tune the bike setup based on their preferences and the demands of the terrain. The Kawasaki KLR650 excels in handling, striking a balance between stability and maneuverability. The bike's lightweight chassis and long travel suspension contribute to agile off-road performance, while its stable platform ensures confidence-inspiring handling on paved roads. Novice riders can appreciate the KLR650's forgiving nature, allowing them to build off-road skills gradually. Safety features are integrated into the KLR650, including a reliable braking system with optional ABS. This provides riders with enhanced control and stopping power, essential both on-road and off-road, especially for those new to the dual-sport riding experience. Affordability is a notable aspect of the KLR650's appeal. With a reasonable price point, it offers an attractive entry into the dual-sport segment without compromising on quality or performance. This makes the KLR650 an enticing option for beginners seeking a versatile motorcycle that can handle the challenges of diverse terrains. In conclusion, the 2024 Kawasaki KLR650 stands as an exceptional choice for beginners eager to explore the dual-sport motorcycle experience. Its reliability, versatility, and user-friendly design make it an ideal companion for riders embarking on adventurous journeys, whether on city streets or rugged trails, showcasing the KLR650 as a standout option for those entering the dual-sport arena.